Hi guys, RETROCENGO here. I actually often get asked about my Amiga 1200, what's inside it, and the arcade menu where I pick up the games. They just scroll so smooth, and everything is just so fast and works perfect. So let's take a quick look at my Amiga 1200. It's a revision 2B. It's still got the shield and everything on. Only thing I actually removed is the shield that it's over the 2MB chip RAMs. You don't need to do it on your Amiga 1200. I just want it to have some more airflow, so I removed it. So it's got a compact flash card, 16GB, ScanDisk Ultra 16GB, and it's just filled with so many awesome Amiga games, and I think I have most of the games ever made, and also all the demos ever that were released. I mean, I don't have a count on them, but I mean hundreds and hundreds games and demos, so yeah, that's nice. I upgraded the Kickstart to 3.1, 512K rounds. On the Amiga 500 and Amiga 2000 is just a single ROM, but on the 1200 it's two ROMs. And also I also have a CD32. It's also like this on two chips. Cleaned disk drive, works perfect. Actually, when I bought this Amiga, it came with a Blizzard card, and the second Amiga 1200 I bought came with an identical Blizzard card. The second one did not have a RAM thingy, so the second one I have got the Motorola 86030 50 megahertz CPU, and I mean this board for this card for WSD load gaming is just really fast. I mean, wow. And actually in sysinfo this blog says 7.5 megabyte of fast RAM. So it's alright, but I actually don't use these Blizzard cards. It's called Blizzard 1234 Phase 5 Digital Productions 93, 94, 95. They work perfect, but I don't use them. They're old, and I actually have a newer accelerator card that I prefer using, and it's from the boxes here, Silicon Sonic Individual Computers, and it's called ACA1232 40 megahertz. No MMU. I don't know what I should use MMU for, but yeah, it doesn't have it. 2TV3M. Well, good hardware for good computers. Hell yeah. Quality made in Germany. Nice. Alright, and we actually have a manual. Nice. Short manual, but still there. Also the documentation, the price. Alright, and the board looks like this. I just love everything about it. I mean, the fact that it's new. I don't want to compare it with a Blizzard product, because I know Blizzard products were just incredible and still is. most people prefer these old Blizzard cards because of the compatibility and the quality and everything, and I have no problems with it. It's just I understand, and they're great products. But this one is 50 megahertz, and most people will say this is one of the best cards for the WSD load. But this one is only 40 megahertz, and it's enough for me. These ones get a little hot on the CPU here, and this one actually sometimes I play for 2 hours with and the trapdoor is closed and everything's closed, and it really doesn't get hot. It runs very cool, and it runs on 40 megahertz. And let's take a look at it. 2TB3M, and the CPU is Motorola 86 EC030 RP40B. Alright, 030 chip. I think this is where the MMU could be. Overclocking voids warranty, alright, I won't overclock it. And this port is for real-time clock. Yeah, let's look at the backside. Oh, okay, individual computers. I'm not going to clock it. 40 megahertz, it's enough for WSD load. Alright, this is how we actually clock. I have never looked at this before. So you can see the jumpers are 1, R2, R3, R4. And my is I got the 030, and it runs at 40 megahertz. That means that R2 has to be in and R4 has to be in. So R2 and R4. I don't think I can overclock it because, as you can see, 40 megahertz is the top. But let's look how it's done from the fabric. R2 and R4, easy, handled with care and respect. All right. Yeah, you can see R2 and R4. R1 and 3 is open, so it's from the fabric running with 40 megahertz. And I'm not gonna clock this beast. It's got yeah, the CPU here, and I can't read buttons there. You can enable and disable it here. And I think those 4 would be the 128 megabytes of fast memory. I mean, I don't know when I don't ever think I will use that much memory on my Amiga 1200, but yeah, it's enough. So guys, yeah, this is what's inside my Amiga 1200, and I'm really happy with it. I love it runs cold, and it's new. I don't have to think about replacing any caps or nothing. No battery, no nothing. I could get more speed here, but well, I haven't found any game that I couldn't run yet. I don't know. But yeah, this is how it looks, and the keyboard here, and my lovely Commodore 64C here. I just love this board. I'm so thankful that the individual computers are making Amiga products, brand new Amiga products. I just love the support. I love everything about it. So that's just great. And another thing, the guy I bought this from, he actually bent this metal part, so it doesn't hit these metal thingies. So he just told me that that was a good idea. Other than that, he also said I could just take this one out and throw it out, but I don't know why. Yeah, and this is me. I mean, I love to protect my Amiga. You can see it's got protection on there and it's got protection there. So yeah, we have to take good care of these old machines. So guys, when I play with this card. Alright guys, let's take a look at how my Amiga runs. I just chose the demos, and actually the only demo disc I had back then was called State of the Art. When I scroll down with this 030 40 megahertz accelerator card, sorry, what was called State of the Art? 2 seconds. Spaceballs, yeah. As you can see, the pictures they're loading so fast. I had a I think it was called 020 68020 20 or 24 megahertz with, I think it had 8 or 4 megabyte RAM, fast RAM, and I mean the scrolling was not as smooth as with this accelerator card, and it should load every time I scroll down. I mean, it should load to get the pictures, and I can really feel the difference after I installed the 030 board. Yeah, this is the demo. So oh damn. Well, this is the only demo disc I had back then. Let's choose another demo. Let's take something with starts with D, and maybe if there's something with AGA graphics. It's usually written here if it's something with AGA from 92. Let's find something from 93, 94. This looks nice. Oh, 1988. Well, that's old. Okay, come on. Yep, that was it. Oh, listen to that music. That's Jason, man. We have a lot of demos, guys. I actually never use this, never see them. But yeah, got them. Alright, let's try escape. Then it restarts and I can choose the games. Alright, I found out at settings it's really important to choose WHD load, preload. It's on because I don't know what I did in the beginning. This one was off. So when I played one of my favorite games here, I mean, look at how fast everything loads, and it's just so great. Oh, this is from Cannon Fodder, 1994. Okay, I bought my Amiga 600 back in 92, and this is from 94. Then that means I had it at least for 2 years. Cannon Fodder 2. What? Did they come out the same year? I think this is from 93. Yeah, Cannon Fodder 2. Cannon Fodder 2 Alien Levels, maybe. Yeah. German version, French. CD32 version. I actually like playing the CD32 version games because they got more. Sometimes they got more speech and extra demos and better music. So I actually like the 32 versions, CD32. Actually, the Chaos engine is great on the 32. Can I afford a new campaign? Can I afford plus? Well, that looks boring. Okay, about the preload. Oh man, one of the best games ever made. The Chaos engine. Civilization. I love Civilization. But the game I actually played was Colonization. There we go. We got the standard version and the AGA. Well, this is Amiga 1200, so let's take the AGA version. So without the preload, it turned every time it loaded, the whole screen turned black, and it came back black, and it came back. I mean, I didn't know what was going on, and it just drove me crazy. When you play this game, it loads a lot from the compact flash card, so it was just blinking as crazy. But as you can see now, with the preload on, I don't exactly know what happens when it's turned on, but I think it maybe loads the entire game into the fast RAM. I mean, I got 128 megabytes of fast RAM here. I think it's something like that because it runs incredible like this. I love the music on these old games. Yeah, America. I always played Spain. I don't know why, but I think it was something with you had better relationship with the Indians. Oh no! Spanish player receives a 50% bonus when they attack Indians. Sorry. I mean, look at this. Look at the speed. No change, no nothing. I just love these WHD load games. They're just incredible. I love them. So yeah, the menu is just it runs so fast. And I have so many versions of this game. You can see French and 512. And actually sometimes I also have demo version of the games. I really don't know why, but I mean, look at this alien breed. How many? It's just crazy. I mean, what's this? Alien breed Tower Assault version 4, version 3, version 2, special edition. The horror continues. Let's take that special edition from 1992. Also F10 to quit. It's not F10 every time. Sometimes it's delete and yeah. Oh man, look at this. Playing this game 2-player was it was epic, man. Not easy, but yeah. Well, I don't know what the special edition from 92 does, but oh man, it's just so great. Okay, F10. Just such I love the music. Where's it now? Come on, one player start game. Oh, sorry, I pressed F10. Alright. And escape, then I think it soft reboots when I press escape. Sorry, I wanted to play the game. I press F10. Yeah, let's check out Workbench also. Make a sys test. This is just a clean workbench. I have done nothing. You can see my chip mem and my fast memory here. Let's check system. Okay. Magic menu. Magic menu is not running. All right. MUI. I really don't have no idea what this is. This is something magic also. System. No. Preview. Oh, this is just like, yeah, it's written here. It's something, it's like Magic Workbench and something MUI. Oh, it looks nice. Nice menus. It also looks like a higher resolution. I never use Workbench, so it's just, but I like this. I want to try this. How do I try this? Use or register? Well, I'm not online with my Amiga. Okay, this maybe needs to be registered, so let's just quit that. All right, that's preferences and utilities. Yeah, pretty standard. Oh, there we go. Is it registered? Don't know. Let's check it out. Tools. Which Amiga? There we go. $40 megahertz. No MMU. Lisa AGA. 2 megabyte of chip RAM. A lot of fast memory. Kickstart 3.1. Your computer is an Amiga 1200. Well, you are right. All right, tools, system, yeah, games, demos, programs. There we go. This one I was looking for. Let's try. Oh. Board. Okay. I think it's because it's a new board. It's not. It doesn't recognize it. Well, we have a lot of memory, as you can see up here. I think for WSD load, I mean, if you have maybe 8 megabyte of fast RAM, I think it's enough. This is just overkill, you know. Speed. AGA 030, 40 megahertz, and yeah, you can see the numbers. 9.57 MIPS, drive stones 9177. I think it's fast enough for WHD load. I really, games work fine, and yeah, that drives. Oh, I know you can test the speed, but I don't know if is it 2 megabytes per second or what? I'm not sure. I don't know if it's good or bad. Yeah, I think it reads with 2 megabytes per second from the compact flash card. I think I'm not sure. I don't use my time on this. I play my Amiga. I enjoy it that way. One thing I just found out was you could actually reboot from here. I saw it just a minute ago, but where was it? Was it here? Rebooter, let's try that. Normal mode. I don't want to check no changes, no nothing, effect, nothing. Just reboot. I mean, it's fast. It's alright. It's enough. I don't need the 50 megahertz. Alright guys. I just reinstalled everything because I thought I had a virus on the SD card, so it acted strange. So I just reinstalled everything, and I'm gonna turn the camera off now because I'm gonna play a new game of Eye of the Beholder. German. I'm gonna make a new party and play this game. I really love this game. I've made a review of it for a couple of days ago and got a lot of positive response actually. It's got many fans still. It's a great game from Westwood. The year after, I think in 93 or was 94, I don't remember. I think it was 93. They released a game called Dune 2, strategy game that I went crazy when I saw it first time. And in 95 they made a game called Command and Conquer for the PC, and that was probably my favorite game of all times. And Red Alert, and oh my god, Red Alert 2, just Yuri's Revenge, and yeah, and so on. And when they switch over to all the new 3D Command and Conquer games, it's just, I don't know, it just ruined it. So it would be so great if they made something like Red Alert 2. It would be awesome. Also, this game, After Beholder 2, they made the number 3 was for the PC also. So yeah, in the middle of the 90s, Amiga just, yeah, the support just died, sadly. But I just got my Amiga interest back, and I love replaying all these old games, so I hope you enjoyed them too. So that's my Amiga 1200. Have a nice day guys, bye.